So what I'm trying to do here is I'm going to try a little picture-in-picture test. I've got the GoPro 11 on the windshield facing the other way, and my phone facing this way, my Samsung S21. So, and I'm going to try and PiP it with the video editor and see how it looks, if I can sync them right. So let's have a test. The Gator was down for a few days with an electrical issue, but I was able to repair it, and so I was just test driving it. Seems to be good. Whoop. Yes. Senor Rios was just here working his magic, and so the lawn's a little slick right now. So I don't want to get too carried away. But it is fun. Sources and see how it works.